credit, interest rates, and wait, but why don't the rich pay taxes? In order to understand how the rich don't pay taxes, you have to understand how taxes work first. You see, when you and I get a paycheck from an employer, taxes have already been taken out. That's because in the government's eyes, we're seen as selfish. That payment, that money that we're getting from our employer is only for us and for our benefit only. So they have to take a percentage of it. And on the other hand, almost every single rich person provides some sort of good or service for the economy that helps it grow, benefits people, and is able to spread wealth in multiple ways. For example, in real estate, when you buy a property, you buy the property, you fix it up, you make it nicer, you're raising the property value. You're also providing affordable housing for people that aren't able to afford houses themselves by renting them out. Because of this, the government gives us things called tax breaks. All business owners get this. This is basically where when we get our income, we don't actually get charged on that money immediately, but at the end of the year, we have to pay taxes on whatever income we received. But the cool thing is, we get tax benefits, where we're able to write things off. So for example, let's say I spend $20,000 rehabbing and flipping a house, making it nice. Well, the thing is that $20,000 I can write off of my income. So let's say I make $20,000 for the year in cash flow, and I spent $20,000 on a flip. It basically zeroes it out. So on paper, it looks like I made nothing. I had no profit, and so they can't tax me on anything at the end of the year. This is what every rich person that doesn't pay taxes' goal is. It's to make it look like their expenses exceeds or matches their income and that they make no money off of it. When the truth is, the $20,000 that I spent to renovate my house was actually from the bank that I'm paying 30-year like a loan on. So I'm paying them $100 every single month for that $20,000 that I used, right? When in reality, it looks like on paper, I spent that all out of pocket, all my own. So really, I am making money. That income is that $20,000 that I'm receiving in income each year. But on paper, it doesn't look like that, right? So that's kind of